Tingnan mo. Yan siya. Maasahan mo na siyang mag-work. Gaya-gaya sa mother. Mother like daughter. We are so both pretty. That's what your mommy and Tita Ben. Stop showing, sit down. This is my daughter. We are working and we are inside the big fridge, big button. Ayan ang aking kodigo ng Makis para madali lang mag-roll. Yan siya, guys. That's my kodigo. And this is my place. Laki-laki nga, guys. Nasa loob kami ng barat. Pero now, turn off muna kasi super cold. Super very cold, guys. Sa loob kami ng freezer. Big fridge. So, yes. Happy weekend, everyone. And keep safe all. Love you. Mommy, tala.